So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Nike stock, ticker symbol NKE, on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right. So whatever tab you're on, it doesn't really matter. Go to the top right, press on the search icon or the magnifying glass. At the top, type in ticker symbol NKE. At the top, there's Nike. Now, there's the US traded one as well as the Canadian traded one. So, we'll just for this demonstration, just do the regular one. So, the US one right here at the top. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on the green buy button. Once you're here, you can change the session type, you can change the order type as well. You can type in the price or the quantity, whatever the case may be. So for example, one share of this at this moment in time is $58.03 USD. If everything looks good, go to the bottom, press on the green buy button, and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Nike stock, ticker symbol NKE on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.